Understanding Tech DIY Kits, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of Tech DIY Kits. This is a fascinating and increasingly popular topic, especially for those who love technology and hands-on projects. Let's dive in and learn about what these kits are and why they're important. Tech DIY kits are packages or sets that contain all the necessary components and instructions needed to build a technology-related project. DIY stands for do-it-yourself, which means these kits are designed for you to assemble and create something on your own. These kits can range from simple electronics projects to more complex ones like building a small robot or a computer. Tech DIY kits have gained popularity for several reasons. Firstly, they're an excellent way to learn about technology and engineering in a practical, hands-on way. They encourage creativity and problem-solving skills, as you need to follow the instructions and sometimes troubleshoot if something doesn't work as expected. Additionally, they're a fun and engaging way to dive into the world of technology, appealing to all ages. To give you a better idea, let's look at some examples. One popular type is the electronics kit, where you can build circuits and understand how electronic components work. Another is the robotics kit, where you assemble and program a robot. There's also the computer kit, where you can build your own working computer from scratch. These are just a few examples. The possibilities are endless. Tech DIY kits aren't just for fun. They have significant educational benefits. They are often used in schools to teach science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, concepts in an interactive way. They help learners understand complex theories through practical application, making the learning process much more engaging and effective. I hope this video helps you understand what Tech DIY kits are and why they're so exciting and educational. Whether you're a technology enthusiast or just starting to explore this world, Tech DIY kits offer a great way to learn and have fun simultaneously. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content.